Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Brownie Boo Bites. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, and we are going to melt that. Then you need a half a cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of granulated sugar. I already have this added into a large bowl. Then you need 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a cup of flour, a 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of Wowbutter, and then you need 72 little mini chocolate chips. That's going to be for the eyes and the mouths of the ghosts, and then some white frosting. I'm just going to use this canned frosting. You can use any kind you like. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 and then spray a mini muffin tin with cooking spray. We are going to make 24 of these. Okay, next I'm just going to put my butter in a microwavable bowl and melt it. Okay, so in my large bowl I have both of my sugars, my melted butter, and my 6 tablespoons of Wowbutter, and I'm just going to beat that with an electric mixer until it's nice and combined. Okay, that looks good. So next we're going to mix in the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt, and just mix that until it's also combined. Alright, now we can add in our 2 eggs and our teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, that looks pretty well mixed to me. So next we are going to go ahead and put this into our prepared cupcake tins, just about 2/3 of the way full. Alright, it's time to put these into the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, my brownies just came out of the oven, so we're going to let them cool off about 10 minutes before I transfer them to a cooling rack to cool completely before we add our ghosts. Alright, now I am going to get to work on my ghost. I just have a Ziploc bag here that I put some frosting in. I'm going to cut off the tip kind of big because you do want a wider tip at the bottom. You're going to just dollop these on however you want, and then add your little eyes and your mouth. Okay, all of my little ghosts are piped on, and I've got my little eyes and mouth on each of them. I did not have enough frosting to do all of mine. I think 3 of them don't have anything on them right now. So just be careful how big you make your ghosts. They don't have to be as big as mine. But they look so cute. I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester! Have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yum.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween.